These ribs are well seasoned, slowly baked at approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. And now I am grilling them to add that smoky flavor. Look at that. They are falling off the bones. You know, they're cooked really. I just need to add that caramelized barbecue flavor on there. Just gonna pour some barbecue on it later and then grill it some more. So all together, look at this. Look at this. I can't resist. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try this little piece right there. Oh my goodness. Mm, mm, mm.